So we just broke down in Tyler's truck because we were like listening to the battery and stuff, and like the hatch is open. Oh, man, the thing's in the way.
And we're getting help by a stranger.
You were getting help by a stranger. There's a truck.
There's Tyler.
Where? Oh, and there's Tyler. He gets mad when I record him. Tyler. Oh, and there's the strangers. They're Mexican. Oh, got a phone call.
Want me to hold the camera?
He was calling me. I can't find my phone.
It's not good.
Fudge. Found it.
The random guy.
Nope, missed it. Shit. Hold on a minute. Oh. Where'd he go? There he is. What a stud. Stud muffin.
You know what's really funny?
What?
Those people that are getting in the car got here while we were here, and now we need jumper cables.
Oh, I know. After this happens, do you have what do you do after this? Like, do you break down again or?
Sometimes.
Oh, stop.
Obviously, you need a new battery.
How'd it go? Yes, no?
We're good.
We're good?